Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the format of notice writing and also write one sample answer. This English language assignment is for class 9. You will get this assignment on 19th April. So let's discuss the format of notice writing. First of all, you need a creative heading. Dear students, creative heading needs to be central and you have to make it eye-catchy. So dear children, you are allowed to write the entire creative heading in capital letters, or you can write the first letter of a word in capital and rest you can write in small. Then arrow means leaving 2 lines everywhere. Then you are going to write name of the event, function, competition or a program, whatever it is. So dear children, name of the event is always given in your question paper. Then again you are going to leave 2 lines and then you are going to write the date. Date when a particular event is going to take place. For example, as I am discussing the format of notice writing on 19th April, so you will take 1 week margin and you are going to write 26th April. After writing the date, you are going to write the time. After writing time, again you are going to leave 2 lines and then you are going to write the venue. Venue should have a smaller locality and a bigger locality. Smaller locality means to precisely say where this event is going to take place. For example, the big basement, bigger locality is Tender Heart School, 33B, Chandigarh. In this part, precisely you have to write 3 to 4 lines and it should consist of target audience, contact person and a submission date. Target audience means for whom this particular event is meant for. Is it for the students of class 5 to 10 or is it open for the entire school? Contact person, whosoever is writing the notice is the contact person. It can be your class teachers, it can be your coordinator, it can be your vice principal or it can be your librarian. Then you are going to write the submission date. Submission date when the students have to submit their names for this particular event. So now I will tell you how to apply the latest format of notice writing to question number 3, A part of practice paper 2. Your question is, the literary association of your school is organizing a poetry recitation competition. Write a notice to be put up in your school inviting students of classes 8 to 10 to register their names for the competition to be held on the occasion of Children's Day in your school. So dear children, you need to read the given question carefully as a few details are already given in your question paper. For example, this is the name of the event which is going to take place. This is the target audience because here classes are specified because the event we are talking about is meant for students of class 8 to 10. Then here you are given when this event is going to take place. We all know that Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. So now I will write the answer for you. So first of all, we'll give a creative heading. For example, I am writing opportunity to explore your poetry recitation skills. This is your creative heading. So putting an arrow means we are leaving 2 lines everywhere. You will be leaving 2 lines. I am leaving 1 line. Now we'll write the name of the event, that is a poetry recitation competition. A poetry recitation competition. Now we are going to write the date, that is already given, on the eve of Children's Day. On the eve of Children's Day. And we all know when do we celebrate Children's Day. So this way you can write now we are going to write the time. So I am going to write between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So now we are going to write the venue. So I am writing at Big Basement and bigger locality is Tender Heart School, Chandigarh. Tender Heart School, and here you're going to write Chandigarh. So this is your smaller locality and this part is your bigger locality. So now we'll write the target audience and the left out details. So now we'll write all the interested students of classes which are already given in your test paper, that is classes 8 to 10. This is the target audience, can register their names with, now we are going to write the contact person with, you are going to write your own name. I am writing my name. So I am the contact person here. As I am writing this notice, I am giving an option or with their class teachers. With their class teachers. Now I will give a submission date on or before. As 14th November was already given. So keeping that date in mind will give a submission date. So we can write 12th November 2000 and cross, and then we are going to keep the notice in a box. So dear students, I hope you will not face any difficulty in writing an answer of notice writing according to the latest format by ICSE, and this video is going to be highly useful for you. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.